In this video, let's take a look at a feature that's new in TPC Desktop 2024 that allows us to edit and retain changes to table items. So I've got a line table here in this drawing, and I've got a line label here that I haven't put in the table yet. That's 14.08 for the distance. Now I can right-click and go to Properties, and I can change that 14.08 to 14.00. And I've been able to do this for a long time in Traverse PC. Now, if I put the cursor over that label, the top line in the tooltip has an asterisk in it that identifies it as modified survey text. So the distance shown here is not the same as what was there originally. What would be inverse from the coordinates is 14.08, and what I've changed it to is 14.00. Now I can also delineate those in yellow, and I can also come over here to my Drawing Data Manager, refresh the screen, and I can see that I have a line label under the Modified Survey Text branch that tells me that the label from 4 to 5 has been modified. Now, I can come in anytime, either here in the drawing or in the Drawing Data Manager, and I can say Reset Modified Attributes, and it'll put it back to what those inverses are. Now, here's the difference in this version. If I add this to the table, or append it to the table has always displayed the inverse data. So I wasn't able to modify this data once it was inside the table. But now you can. Now I can simply right-click, go to Properties, and just like I did with the line label, I can change that 14.08 to 14.00, and Traverse PC will retain that for me. In fact, if I put the cursor over L2, it also has the asterisk in the top of the tooltip that tells me it's modified. I can delineate modified text, and I see that the item in the table is delineated. I can come over to the Drawing Data Manager. Once I've refreshed it, I can see here's table item L2 for the line table, and it gives me the modified text. Now I also can, just like I've always done, right-click, choose Reset Modify Attributes, and get right back to where I was before. Okay, so I can put that right back to 14.08. But if I've left this, edited this to be 14.00, I can now save this survey, open it back up, and it'll still be 14.00. So a lot of you have asked for this ability to be able to edit table items in place in the table, and now you can.